Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 40 by 50 centimetre or 15.7 by 19.7 inch canvas, and I had to do a wash off on it. I'm trying to do a snake, not any sort, but a rainbow serpent, and I had the background and everything nice, and then I put my snake on, but the paint spread out, and I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but you can see the outline here of the snake, and that's his head. And the paint just spread out so much, he looked more like a fat worm. So I just want a nice rainbow snake. So what I'm going to do is put the background on again, and it's chocolate brown, apricot, and I better put some more on, that's not going to work, and I've just put them into this bottle that I have to pour them out because I rather want a sort of motley background, and I don't know that this is going to be enough. Should be. My daughter saves me these bottles for me. She's a teacher, and once the students have used up the paints, I claim the empty bottles, because they're good for putting your paint in if you're mixing it up. This isn't going to sort of play the game. Doesn't want to rock and roll, so we'll give her something to rock and roll on. Come around here, because I rather like that marbling effect. Give it something to roll on. No barking, please. It's just going to take a bit longer. May as well do that side while I'm at it. Okay, down you come. Alright, this is where I sped it up, and it took a fair chunk out of the video. It was just straight up too long. So here I'm just doing the tilting and what have you, which took a while to do. In the next part I'm going to put my snake on, and I'm using bright red, cobalt blue, to which I added a little white and gold. It really does look nice. So, but I love this background. It really did come up beautifully, and so far I hope you're enjoying the video. I don't know what else to say. I've got like 10 seconds to go. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. And that's about all I can tell you. So from me, hang around. Want it? Right. So that's my background, and I'm just going to rinse my hands off, and I'll bring you down to have a little look at it. So here we go, that's what it looks like a little bit closer. And as you can see, this is the corner that'll flatten out shortly. And that is a wonderful background for ground. I really like this. It'd be nice just the way it is. Well, I'll be back as soon as this dries. Bye for now. Hi, I'm back. It's been a few days and my background has dried. What I've done, to try and keep this snake in a nice shape, I've put some tape around. So I thought if it's spread out a little bit, when I take the tape off, I should still have my snake. So I'm using a red, gold, and this is cobalt blue, but I added a little bit of white to it just to lighten it a bit more, and I'm using that. And I have a very small teaspoon, so I'm just going to make a bit of a cup here. That would probably be enough, and I didn't have anything to stir that with. So here we go, and I'm just going to do that, help the colours around a little bit, and then so I have sped this up, and I think this is the best way to do this video. I've cut it down significantly from over 40 minutes. And what I'm doing here, I've put some tape around as the shape of my snake, and I'm just about to put the paints on. It turned out very nice. It didn't spread out too much because of the tape. But when I took the tapes off, it was a bit thinner than I wanted, so I went from a fat worm to a anorexic snake. So I got the blue and the red paint, and I just, with my paintbrush, went around the edges of the snake, and that got it to the width that I really wanted. After that, it was just a matter of decorating her, so that's what this part of the video is all about. And I'll put some music on for you to enjoy, and I'll catch you up at the other end of the video. I hope you enjoy. my rainbow serpent, and she's well, I'll start from her head. She's decorated nicely. That orange is actually the gold that I'm talking about, and the red and blue look really good. So I'm very happy that I persevered to get the serpent I wanted, and there's a little bit of decoration that I just did, and over here, without making you seasick, for the other, just goes up and leads you to this one. So thank you very much for watching, and I do hope you've enjoyed this, and please go have a look at the story, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.